Alright guys, welcome back. It's not warm. Part 2 of putting the Impreza back together. I'm going to start with the downpipe. I'm going to try and be as quick as possible today. I don't want to spend too much time in here. The heater's been on for about 2 hours now, and I've got to say it hasn't made the slightest difference whatsoever. So yeah, downpipe, lambda sensor's in as you've seen. Downpipe's going to go on now. I'm going to bolt it on to the midsection, and then we'll move over to the top mount and the induction kit, and then she's good to go. She's booked in for mapping next week. So yeah, can't wait. So let's get on with it, guys.
That's it, Brian?
Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too.
Right guys, so as you saw, the downpipe's on now. But right, the middle section is not joining up. Now I want to show you what I've got here. That is a 2.5 inch to a 3 inch adapter plate. So basically you've got the donut of the gasket, the exhaust gasket fits in there. That goes into the 2.5 inch. On the other end you have like a metal gasket that goes here, and then the 3 inch mates to that. So that's the diameter you're literally working with, right? So that's going to enable me to put my exhaust system together now. Like I said, downpipe's on. I'm going to do this now. I'm going to try and get the recording done under the car best I can. Then intercooler's going on, and then we'll probably do a separate video on the induction kit, right? So I'll fit as much as I can in this part 2. There probably will be a part 3 because we've still got to do the fuel pump. So let me crack on with that, and I'll take you under the car. Right, let's go. Hi guys, so this is where it mates. That's the new downpipe, and that's the 2.5 inch there, straight through. So I'm going to try and get this best I can. I'm going to start installing the stuff. Might need to raise the car up a little bit. A bit squished on the rear. Not as slim as I used to be. Alright guys, I've tried to record as much as I can. Most of it's all up. If you don't know if you can see that little flange, it's all flush if you look at the middle flange, but I'm not happy with, say, that bit there. Right, so it's just catching on the edge. So I'm going to straighten that out, bolt it in properly, and the rest of the exhaust system's all in. See the downpipe's all in. Try and get some light in here. Right, downpipe's going up. New lambda sensors in and connected up. All I've got to do, there's a bracket here. Let me see. See that bracket there? That just slots in up there. It's a bit tight because that there is quite a tight fit. Again, it's all sealed up. If I was to start it up now, I'm pretty sure that wouldn't leak. But I just want to be sure. So yeah, hopefully I should be about another half hour with this, and then we'll start on the intercooler. Right guys, so exhaust is sorted now. Turbo bolts are all tightened. So we're putting the STI intercooler on now. You can see the size difference in them. So yeah, looking forward to starting this up. So I'm just going to swap over the original reset valve onto the new STI intercooler, and then yeah, start the process of putting it back on. So I'm just going to stick you on a time lapse, guys.
It's all about what you bring to the crowd, where your reference is loud. They're calling me over, set your fire on me, like what I see you getting closer. Hey, trendsetter, see your fire when the strobe hits you. I didn't see who you came with. Bet you're looking for something new.
have it, guys. It's back together. Everything seems all good. Just topped it up with coolant. The exhaust is all sorted. New turbos on. New intercoolers on. Just got the induction kit to put on, and the fuel pump, which we're going to probably do in the next part. Yeah, it was a bit of a dog putting the intercooler on. Had to change all the brackets around, but you can see all the brackets are on. Try and zoom in here if I can. There you go. That's his brackets all on. Original DV, or I say original, but the reset, the 40 reset valves on. A bit of overspill on the coolant there, but I've overfilled it slightly because once I start it, it's going to suck it all in, because a lot of the coolant did drain out when I undid the turbo inlet pipe for the water. So yeah, yeah, there you have it, guys. All back together again. Sorry, it's taken a few weeks, but it's just needed parts and all sorts of similar working. But yeah, there you go. Right, guys, so here you have it. Smashed my finger with a hammer, but I'm still alive. So the intercooler's back on, as I just said. Coolant's in there, everything's good to go. The only thing we need to do is turn the key over. So, shall we? Nah, we're just gonna, well, you guys are gonna have to wait till the next part. I'm gonna turn the camera off and give it a fire up in a second. See you next time.
Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room.